Hey, welcome back to Two Stupid Guys Trade Stocks. I'm Dylan.
And I'm Vinny.
And today we're going to look at Netflix completely just exploding on itself, not having a great day. We're going to look at what happened, and we're going to talk about, well, Vinny knows why. And he
Well,
called
maybe
it 3 weeks
I
ago, by the
I
way.
did definitely call it that I was not a Netflix investor, and for good reasons. If you guys enjoy this kind of entertaining stock market content of two stupid guys trading stocks and talking all things personal finance, by all means, give us a like and subscribe below. We'd love to have you along in this little adventure of ours. With that, we'll get to it.
And where's the button? Two Stupid Guys Trade Stocks. All right, before we get to the
Boom.
chart here, I gotta give Vinny a shout out. He did a video, got like 200 views, saying some weird accounting things that Netflix was doing, and that this is after the drop, after they went from 660 to 380,
Sure. Yeah,
and
yeah.
how it still has much farther to drop. And now, well, what happened?
I'm just gonna dislocate my shoulder here a little bit, patting myself on the back for staying away from that fiasco. But yeah, I don't like the way that they capitalize the production costs of media and shows basically onto their balance sheet. It doesn't ring true to me. It's not the way Disney does it. Disney, just expenses the actual content production, whereas, like I said, Netflix capitalizes it and then depreciates it over time. I understand that these shows have utility for a few years, and that it does kind of make sense to depreciate them over time. But still, I just don't love the way they do it. To me, it's a little disingenuous, and just because of that reason, I don't trust that management is accurately representing the business. So that's why I've stood away from investing in Netflix. For disclosure purpose, I did actually go, kind of bearish on today. I sold a call credit spread that was in the money at the time, and that position was up about 70% or so by the end of the day. I only opened one contract that way. It's in the fun money stupid account, so nothing too aggressive. But yeah, I mean, I'm not surprised that this has happened, and I still think there's more room to go down for them.
All right, so Vinny, they were at like 300 billion, like market cap, when they were at about 600 bucks a share. I can show that real quick. They're probably at around 100 billion ish right now,
They
right?
are. I just checked.
They are.
It's almost bang on 100 billion according to CNBC.
All right. When are they worth buying?
So they had about $800 million in free cash flow this quarter, and if you extrapolate that on a annual basis, you're talking about 3.2 billion. I wouldn't be interested in buying them anything less than a 5% free cash flow yield, meaning they still, in my opinion, have about another 40% or so to drop before it makes sense for me on a free cash flow basis.
So $100. Well, no, that's well. Oh no, they
Uh,
hit 212. So one
yeah,
hundred and twenty-five dollars. You're gonna put all your money in Netflix,
I would
every
not put all
cent
my
you
money
own.
in it. Yeah, but at 5% free cash flow yield, like I think it becomes a
One
much more
million dollars.
attractive.
Got it. Uh,
Hmm.
Look at this. So this is so I do day trade in the morning. This is what I was watching. I couldn't get in because it was on short selling restriction. That means that it's kind of complicated, but you have to kind of be filled on the actual ask, not the bid. But basically, this was just a waterfall going all the way down. I literally couldn't get in, and every time it would hesitate. I'd be like, "Ah, dude, this ain't going lower. There's no way." This is a 1 minute chart. Granted, 1 minute charts are kind of iffy, but
Hmm.
I mean, just straight down, dude. Just, ugh,
Yeah.
gross.
But what time was it that it was like 11 something a.m. where it kind of reached its
10,
nidus there,
11,
if you will?
New York time.
10:11. It's amazing how right
How
around 10
fast?
a.m. is like a big time for whether stocks set their high or low for their day. It's
Yeah.
interesting to me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's called reversal time.
Yeah.
That's when you
Interesting.
start looking for reversals. The weird thing is here is one I do want to point out. Everyone thought they had crazy volume on this day. This is when they dropped to 380. Nah, look at that giant thing. And then
Hold my beer, bro.
yeah, it was wild. And then usually when you reverse, there's some climactic volume, but there wasn't. However, if you like chart patterns, look at that. What is
Yeah.
that?
That was like a hammer.
Perfect hammer. Couldn't be more
Yeah.
perfect. That's when you get in.
Interesting. All
Yeah.
right. That's kind of cool.
Not bad.
I don't know. You think it's going to go bearish for the next couple of days? Because that's my inkling. But
Well, so part of the thing here is that big buyers, institutional investors, anytime you have a stock that goes crazy low, I'm talking crazy low, really low, like this just plummeted, you have institutional investors who will start hedging. And as it goes down more, they actually push it down more as they're now hedging against their own bet. So
Mhm.
that's why after it had already dropped from like 360 to like 250, it went all the way down to, was it 212 at one point?
Yeah.
Disgusting, right? I don't know if it's going to go lower than the, I think it needs a little bit of a break.
Okay.
But I also would not have said it's going to be at 212 2 weeks ago. So I have no idea.
Yeah, yeah. And I anticipate like a kind of a Facebook like reaction where here where it's going to continue to bleed down slowly over the next couple of days is kind of my inkling.
Oh, it should be known 2% of California's pension fund is Netflix. Yeah. All right, guys. Not
Yeah.
great.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
know, right?
Let us know how you traded Netflix.
Yeah. Catch you in the next one.